Welcome to our overview of the history of the United States, a journey through centuries of change, growth, and challenge. The American story is a complex tapestry woven from diverse threads, reflecting a nation in constant evolution. From its early roots to its modern presence, the United States has shaped and been shaped by global historical currents. Long before European contact, the Americas were home to diverse, vibrant indigenous cultures with rich traditions. These early inhabitants developed sophisticated societies, languages, and deep connections to the land that define their heritage. European exploration in the late 15th century set the stage for centuries of colonization, conflict, and cultural exchange. Tensions between colonies and the British Crown eventually erupted into a quest for self-governance. The American Revolution was a pivotal fight for liberty that birthed a new nation based on democratic ideals. The Constitution and the Bill of Rights provided the framework for a government intended to balance power and protect freedom. The 19th century was marked by aggressive expansion, often framed by the concept of manifest destiny. This era of rapid growth redefined the country's borders, but also came at a devastating cost to indigenous populations. The Civil War tested the nation's integrity, fundamentally resolving the issue of slavery and redefining American unity. The turn of the 20th century propelled the United States into a new age of industrial might and global responsibility. Technological innovation and economic growth solidified America's position as a central player in the global political landscape. The World Wars and the subsequent fight for civil rights marked periods of intense sacrifice and social transformation. Today, America navigates the challenges of the digital age, shaped by globalization, connectivity, and evolving societal values. History is never static. It is an ongoing dialogue between our past, our present, and our aspirations for the future. By understanding the hardships and triumphs of those before us, we gain perspective on our current democratic journey. As we look toward the future, the lessons of American history serve as both a foundation and a guide for what lies ahead.